Welcome to Daily Affirmations to Attract Love, a video dedicated to helping you find and nurture love in your life through the power of positive affirmations. Discover how these affirmations can transform your mindset, boost your confidence, and open your heart to love. If possible, repeat each affirmation out loud after hearing it, to reinforce its message in your mind and spirit. I am deserving of love and affection. Love surrounds me every day in every way. My heart is open to receiving love from others. I radiate love, and it comes back to me multiplied. I am worthy of a healthy, loving relationship. Love finds me effortlessly and naturally. I am a magnet for love and positive energy. Every day, I attract people who love and respect me. My relationships are founded on mutual respect and love. I am loved for who I am, not just for what I do. The universe is guiding me towards my soulmate. I embrace love in all its forms and expressions. My heart's capacity to love grows stronger every day. I am grateful for the love that is present in my life. Love heals me in ways I never thought possible. I am creating space in my life for incredible love. My loving energy attracts the right people into my life. Every interaction is an opportunity to spread love. I let go of past hurts and welcome new love with open arms. True love feels effortless with the right person. I am becoming the best version of myself for me and my future partner. Every day brings me closer to my romantic dreams. I trust the journey of love to bring joy into my life. My loving actions create lasting, loving relationships. I am a beacon of love and kindness. Love strengthens me in every aspect of my life. I am capable of giving and receiving love freely. My life is enriched with the love I give and receive. I attract love by being myself. My belief in love grows stronger with each passing day. I am ready to love and be loved unconditionally. Love flows to me from all directions. My relationships are filled with love and joy. I am surrounded by love everywhere I go. The more I love myself, the more love I have to give. I see love in the small moments and the big. My heart is always open to love. I attract loving and caring people into my life. Love is my birthright, and I claim it now. I am a powerful creator of love and happiness. Every day, my capacity to love grows and expands. Love guides me in all my relationships. I am deserving of a love that fills me with joy. I release all barriers to love and accept it fully. Love comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am constantly surrounded by love. My life is full of love, and I am grateful. I choose to see love in everything and everyone. I am ready to explore love without fear. The path to great love is clear and open to me. I find love in all my interactions. Love is the foundation of my being. I cherish the love I have and anticipate more to come. I am a loving presence to those around me. My ability to love grows as I express it more. I welcome love with a joyful heart. I am connected to an endless source of love. The love I give returns to me in abundance. I am at peace with the past and look forward to love. Love enriches my life in magical ways.